Hello everybody, welcome to Hands On with me, with Victoria, and welcome to the Christmas special. How are you today? Are you as happy as me for Christmas? Today we are going to do a craft to decorate our house or classroom in Christmas. We are going to make a Christmas crown. And we are going to do it with the materials that you have in your house. Take note. You need a box or some hard cardboard, scissors, glue stick, white glue, a ruler, a compass, some pompons or Christmas small decorations. They can be stickers or whatever you have, or something that you can make, and some green paper. This is important. I have used these 3 different greens that I have in my house. I have one printed and 2 other plain green. Use what you have. The first thing we are going to do is to cut our papers. We are going to make 3 different sizes. Long strips around 20 centimeters long, medium around 15 centimeters, and some short around 9 or 10 centimeters. They don't need to be perfect, just cut them all. Okay, I've got them ready. Look. And now we are going to assemble them to make these pieces, these loops. It's very easy, but let me show you how I did it. Take your glue and let's start by the longest paper, the longest. Okay, let's put some glue here. And now, look what I have to do. You turn like this your paper, but now you make a little loop and you stick corner with corner like this. We got it. With the next size, with the medium, we do just the same. Put some glue in this side. Fold the paper and turn around, corner with corner. And now the small one, like this, corner with corner. Once we have the 3 different size, we assemble one on top of another, corner with corner. We got it. So let's make all the others. You need more or less 12 or 13. Once we have finished to assemble all of our green pieces, it's time to cut our cardboard. We need to make a circle, and for that I am going to use my compass, but you can use a big bowl or whatever you have at home with the shape of a circle. I'm going to open the compass at 9 centimeters for the first circle. And more or less 6 for the second. Now you cut the outside circle and the inside. And now it's time to put all the green leaves on the crown. Easy. Have your glue stick and your white glue ready for this step. Put some glue. Leave 1 finger space, more or less. Here is where the pom-pom goes. Put some white glue and place the pom-pom. Let it dry for a while if you don't want your pom-poms to fall down. Maybe it takes 20 or 30 minutes. While the crown is drying, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful snowflake that we are going to put in the middle. I have used some pipe cleaners and it's really easy. Look how I do it. You only need 2 pipe cleaners with your favorite color. One of the pipe cleaners, cut it in 3 pieces. 3, more or less the same, like this. And the other pipe cleaner, cut it in 6, more or less this long, like 3 fingers, like this. Now you take your 3 long pipe cleaners and by the middle twist them. Twist. Twist. And now you can make like a star. You got it? Easy. And with the little pipe cleaners, more or less in the middle of each arm, you twist them like this. Easy snowflake. Now for a final touch, I put this pom-pom that I have in my house in the middle with some white glue. Crown dried and snowflake ready. It's time to hang it in the middle. This is gonna be very easy. Just take some string. I take this, it's a little golden, and tie it by one of the arms. Like this. And now, let it hang more or less in the middle and tie it up, atalo. We've finished! Isn't it beautiful? Now it's just ready to be hung on your door or on your wall. Look! Nice, beautiful, and made by you. You should be very, very proud. Well, everybody, get ready for Christmas and enjoy. I hope you liked this craft. If it's so, give me a like and subscribe for more videos. Oh, do you want to see the picture of your crown in my next video? Just send it to me, to my Instagram account. If it's in your head, it's in your hands. Bye bye, I love you.